Welcome back to another video. I am going to do an unboxing of my Amazon Echo Dot. This will be my second purchase. Actually, the first one was free with my SiriusXM subscription, but I thought I needed another one for my bedroom. When your purchase arrives, it comes completely sealed. And tamper resistant. It has an additional seal on the box. You have your getting started guide and your card with things to try. You can ask Alexa to play music, ask questions, stay organized. You have a shopping list that you can organize and also buy additional items to control your smart home. That would include smart plugs, smart bulbs, which are pretty expensive if you ask me. It has been maybe nearly a year since my previous purchase, so I'm going to see if I can set it up without the assistance of my television. The Echo Dot comes registered to you with your name and account already set up. It's initializing.
Hello. Bringing your device online. Just a moment. Your device is ready.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Jimmy's still got this.
What kind of car does the sheep drive? A Lamborghini.
He's pretty good at this. But if you ever want to switch back to my jokes, just say, Alexa, I miss your jokes.
So apparently the Echo Dot is attached to my Wi-Fi and my other devices because it remembers everything, so I can't really go through the process of showing you the setup. So another feature is, I don't want to ask Alexa to play music because then I would be moving into the copyright infringements. So let's try this. Alexa, add batteries to my list.
I've put batteries on your shopping list.
Alexa, I love you.
That's really nice. Thanks.
Apparently Alexa doesn't love me back. Let's try this. Alexa, how many ounces are in a cup?
1 cup is 8 fluid ounces.
Well, she's all set up and ready. But I would like to show you the features on my Vizio TV. So let's hold on for a moment. Okay, I figured out something. So I'm going to ask Alexa to play a song, but then I will stop the video before she plays it. Hopefully I can catch that. Alexa, play Before I Let Go by Beyonce.
Before I Let Go, Homecoming Live bonus track by Beyonce.
And also I have a SiriusXM subscription, and I will let you experience the command for that. Alexa, play The Heat on SiriusXM.
The Heat from SiriusXM.
And I also have an unlimited subscription with Amazon Music, and I think it's $7.99 along with the Amazon Prime subscription. So there are several things you need to access a lot of the features from your Amazon Echo Dot. I have a Vizio television, and it has SmartCast. You can go to the extras option, and you have the Amazon Alexa. You can link it to your television, and it shows that my television is already synced to it. And then it gives you options of what you can do. You can turn off your living room television. You can turn the volume up or down as well. So adding it to your television is a good option as well. Go download the Alexa app from the Play Store or the Apple Store, and you can control your Echo Dot or any other devices that you have from the Amazon store. Okay guys, that concludes my video for the unboxing and review of the Amazon Echo Dot, and I love them. The dots are excellent, and this is the 3rd generation Echo Dot, if I didn't mention it before, but they're the bomb. They are so convenient, and I love listening to music anytime I want to, any song I want to. So I give it a 5 out of 5. So thank you for watching. Say bye, Goldie. And say thanks for watching.